In this video, we will discuss about difference and utilization of single-phase and three-phase 86 or master trip relay. Whereas three-phase 86 relays are used to trip all three poles of a circuit breaker simultaneously. If we require auto reclose feature in circuit breaker, then single-phase 86 is required. Whereas if we do not need auto reclose features, then three-phase 86 relays are needed. Generally, auto reclose facility is used to clear a single phase to ground fault, and to clear a single phase to ground fault successfully, single phase 86 are required, and for each phase a separate 86 is used to clear a single phase to ground fault. For single phase auto reclose, single pole tripping is required, and for that, for each phase, two number of trip coils are used. In this diagram, you can see that for tripping of red pole, two number of trip coil is used. Similarly, for yellow phase also there is two number of trip coil, and for blue phase there is also two number of trip coil, and these three are single phase 86 which we are discussing about. This is distance protection relay. If any single pole to ground fault occurred in red phase, then only this red phase 86 will operate, and this single pole red phase 86 will provide trip pulse to red phase trip coil of circuit breaker. Similarly, for any single phase to ground fault in yellow phase, only 86Y or yellow phase single phase 86 will operate, which will trip only yellow pole of the circuit breaker. So a tripped faulty phase is not affecting power flow in the healthy phases. But on operation of three-phase 86 relay, all three poles of the circuit breaker will dead. This is the circuit diagram of a three-phase 86 relay. For a fault detected by distance protection relay or overcurrent relay, or if a direct trip received in this bay, then 86 relay three-phase will operate, and on operation of this three-phase 86 relay, trip pulse will simultaneously provided to all three phase or all three pole of the circuit breaker. Now single phase 86 relays are of self reset type. That means if operated, it will reset itself automatically after clearance of the faulty section or faulty phase. Suppose a blue phase to earth fault occurred, which is successfully detected by the distance protection relay. As a result, 86B will operate and it will trip blue pole of the circuit breaker. And if the circuit breaker performs its tripping duty successfully, then the fault will be cleared and there will be no fault current in the circuit. As a result, this contact will reset automatically, and as a result, this 86B1 will also reset automatically, and these two contacts of this 86 single phase relay will also reset, and there will be no tripping pulse anymore to blue pole of the circuit breaker. That means blue pole of the circuit breaker is ready to reclose again by auto recloser. But if a phase-to-phase fault occurred which is detected by a distance protection relay, then three-phase 86 relay will operate, and this three-phase 86 relay is a latch relay. That means if it operated, then you cannot recharge the circuit without resetting this three-phase 86 relay. That means auto reclose is not possible if a three-phase 86 relay is operated. Direct trip, overcurrent distance trip, overcurrent relay trip, and gas trip. These four relays are responsible for operation of three-phase 86 relay in this scheme. And remember, if this three-phase 86 relay operated, then you cannot close this circuit breaker manually also until resetting this 86 relay either by hand reset or by electrically. Operation of three-phase 86 relay means any severe fault occurs in the circuit, so auto reclose facility is disabled automatically. So these are main difference of single phase and three phase 86 relay. But do you know what is direct trip or gas zone trip? To watch upcoming video on those topics, stay tuned by subscribing this channel and don't forget to press the bell button also.